Hi everyone, I'm Dipali and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a beautiful 5-pointed star lantern with paper because it's biodegradable, recyclable and eco-friendly. A perfect alternative to plastic. Let's craft and let me tell you all the step-by-step process which is easy to understand. Let's quickly gather all the material that we require to make this lantern. We need glue, ruler, punching tool, punching cutter, um, we need a pencil, scissor, thread and the paper tape. Any tape is fine, preferably paper tape because we are actually using just paper for this lantern, and the thread could be just 30 centimeter is enough. Depends on how much big lantern that you are making. So these are all material that we require along with the paper. Here is the A4 size sheet. You can take even bigger as usual. Um, it's we need just a square sheet of paper. So you need 5 sheets. So I'm gonna just to take out the square sheet out of my A4 size paper. What I did is just folded it diagonally and I'm going to remove this excess part. So I already have the ready square sheet of paper from my A4 size sheet, and this is the diagonal fold, and then from this point that you see here and this side I'm gonna divide this area, this section into half from this corner. So look carefully how I'm doing it. You can even take a square sheet of paper, pause the video and start doing it and follow this video and do it along with me. So, and then from the other side, same, repeat the process but from other side. Make sure these are all properly pointed here, and then you align this over here, and then you're gonna fold this side area. Now we got the perfect point over here, you can see that. Now next I'm going to use, you can use a paper tape for this. Oops. This is just for to showing purpose. So you can use a paper tape or a glue. Once you paste this area, because see this is going to go inside, so you don't need to really worry about that, it's going to be visible. And you can take any paper with pattern or colors. Even you can color the paper and then make it, that is also possible. Now look carefully, I'm gonna fold this point by aligning over here, and then again I'm gonna divide and fold this way by aligning again over this line. Okay, so I got this third line, 1 2 3. Over this third line, take the reference of the third line and fold it up and take this point as a reference. Just draw the dot here, and from this dot I'm going to draw lines, 1 and 2 the other side, and then 1 centimeter line just parallel to it. And then draw the line. Alright, now I'm just drawing like this. You don't really need to draw, but this is as a reference because we are going to cut this area, okay, which I'm just coloring. Okay, so now let's start cutting. Cut from this point, you can see carefully, straight line like this. Cut along this line and then towards the point, and then cut like this towards this point. Okay, now look carefully. I'm gonna put my ruler over here. Take the reference of this line, just press like this, okay, and then the other side also same thing. Now press like this, both sides, open, and then open this area, fold this way. So we don't need one side, so cut this. So these are excess pieces, so excess side flaps which you can insert in another one. So you need to make this 5. So I already have it ready, I'll show you later. So this is going to go insert in another one, so I'll show you how next. But before that, I'm gonna make pattern on it. I don't have any pattern, it's just plain. So I'm going to just quickly make the punches in this. So this is, I'm gonna use this tool, stapling or punching tool you can say. I'm just drawing like this just as a reference, and then I'm gonna insert this so you can see this carefully how I do it. Start punching the holes over these lines. Same way the other side. You can even do randomly all over. Like this. I got it from both sides, you can see. I already have 5 ready with me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Put the glue over here. Lightly, and then paste it inside. Same way the other side. I'm going to take one paper to keep it underneath to secure my table. Okay, so these are extra flaps, goes inside this area where there is no flaps, and these flaps are upwards. Now align these pieces so that you get idea where to paste it. So just for a reference, now take another one. So the last one, I don't really need this extra flaps. So this is the last fifth one. So I'm gonna just remove these flaps, which because I don't require these flaps in the end for the last piece. Inside this, like this, to get all 5 pieces together. Once that is done, I'm gonna punch the hole over here so to tie them together easily. That was easy. That was not super easy, but that was easy. Now I require this 2 threads. So take any type of cotton thread. I got golden ones, but take any like strong thread and then tie the knot at one side. Not just one knot, but the double knot we will require to make sure it is strong. And then let's insert another thread from the other side of the point. Just and then one more knot. Once that is done, you just have to make sure you have the bulb ready, the hanging bulb most preferably, and then around it you just have to tie the thread, and when you try to do the knot, just open it, and then you can see this way you can tie the thread around the bulb. So I got the bulb over here and I'm gonna see how it's going to look, okay, with the lights. So what you're gonna do is insert this bulb here. I did not tie it like completely, but it's okay. I'll just show you how it looks. This is the Christmas lantern, and I'm going to switch on the lights. Oops, sorry. Okay. It looks nice, but let me switch on this main light so that how it looks in the dark. Okay, I think video quality is not that great. When you make it with your lights, it will look amazing. So main idea is to use paper and making it on your own. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope I see you in my next video. Let me know what you think, and happy holidays, happy Christmas, and happy New Year.